This 2015 Jaguar XF is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. XF Portfolio AWD navigation system, rear view camera, premium sound system, heated front seats, front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, power rear sunshade, 3.0L supercharged V6 engine, 8-speed automatic transmission, premium sound system, keyless and tri-keyless start, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, wood trim interior, power exterior mirrors, gray exterior, black leather interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for a detailed walk-around. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2015 Jaguar XF Portfolio AWD is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.